Okay, as soon as the camera gets its focus here. Come on, camera, get your focus. Focus, camera. Okay. Still not focusing very well, but anyways, it is 9:30. 7 hours after this first began with the few small specks. It is still snowing. Yes, it is still snowing. I have flip-flops on, so I'm not gonna go very far. But anyways, zooming into the railing here. There is how much snow is on the railing. It's probably some has fallen because it looks like the same, and I know it's not the same. But let's see. Here are the little light things that we have that for decoration. And they're almost completely covered, so I figured there's no reason to even cut them on. Like the Mickey here. But anyways, yeah, lots and lots of snow. And look at that bush out there. Someday I will show you this, Ella. You'll remember this is your first real snow. I can't believe how much snow is coming down. Like, it's been so long since we've had this much snow. There's where I stepped earlier, right there. Water's getting on my camera. But yeah, lots and lots and lots of snow. Tomorrow I'll go out there and bring Ella in it. She is sleeping at the moment. This camera keeps refocusing in. Bush, and the snow is like blowing in on my toes. It's not a nice feeling. Here's my feet. My ugly, nasty feet that need a pedicure. Let's see if I can zoom into the neighbor's house. There's the snow. See it coming? Lots and lots of snow. The wind is blowing now. There's lots of that person's steps. Zooming in. Now I'm just kind of bored because my husband is at work and hopefully he'll be able to get home because I don't want to be stuck at home alone with the baby and 2 dogs. Come on, camera, refocus. Yeah, it is completely snowed in. I mean, it's not like the snow up north, but hey, it's still snow. I don't particularly like snow, but I'm off all this weekend, so it didn't really make a difference. I think I really hate snow if I have plans or if I'm going out or whatnot, which that's not happening this weekend, so. But anyways, there it is. I've spent a meaningless 4 minutes on snow. Okay, so here is some snow. This is the backyard. There is the snow. That's like the sidewalk, and there's the snow. Okay, I can't keep that out there for very long because it's still snowing and it's getting wet. But anyways, we're looking through mesh here. A mesh screened in porch. Let's see. But you can still see the snow is falling. My dogs are in the house tearing what up? Not up. There's my backyard. There's a bush covered in snow right there. That's a bush. Still snowing, snowing, snowing. There, look at this trash can. Look at the trash can. How much snow has piled on this trash can? That is a lot. That's a heck of a lot of snow. Lots and lots of snow. Oh, my toes are freezing. I'm in flip-flops again, so. I know, because it's starting to get really bad. I'm recording, so it's 10 o'clock at night and still snowing. Lots of snow. Lots and lots of snow. There's the little light fixture things. They're getting covered up. Shut up, Bowie. Here is the snow. 10:30.
Bowie's.
Here's a path cleared for the dogs to pee and poop in. Lots of snow.
Oh.
Look at that. Heaping amounts of snow.